R. Anthony, and to all our teachers, parents, and guardians who are all here today. A wonderful and blessed morning to all of us. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of our guest speaker, Ms. John Lawrence C. Diola. Thank you for being with us today. It is an honor to stand before you and express my gratitude in this special occasion. By the way, I am Dylan Timanip from Grade 5 Self-Control. Today, we will mark a significant milestone in our journey together, this Recognition Day. A moment to celebrate the hard work, dedication, and achievements of each one of us. With the theme, Generation of Unity Partners for the New Philippines. First, I want to express my sincere gratitude to all our teachers who have guided us with so much patience and kindness. Thank you for your time, tireless effort, and unwavering dedication. Thank you for your guidance, mentorship, and commitment in nurturing our minds and being the foundation of our success. Your passion in teaching is what makes us who we are today. Thank you for making our learning so much fun and fostering us with support when we are in need academically, socially, and emotionally. Secondly, let us also express our deepest gratitude to our most amazing parents and guardians. Saying thank you is not enough for how grateful we are for your sacrifices, your endless support, your encouragement, and your unconditional love are beyond measure. Thank you for always believing and guiding us. You shaped us into the person we are right now. Your role is incomparable and cannot be overstated. This achievement is not just mine, it's ours. We love you, our mom and dad. Thank you for everything. And finally, to all my fellow continuing students, this Recognition Day is a testament to our persistence and passion for learning. It recognizes not just our academic accomplishments, but also our personal growth, resilience, and challenges throughout the last 10 months. Today, we honor our remarkable abilities with pride and admiration. Indeed, it is such a great job. I am very thankful to all my classmates in other grade levels. You made my school days such a positive and enjoyable experience. May we look forward to the brighter year ahead. Let's continue to strive for excellence and better tomorrow. I congratulate you all on our well-deserved recognition. Let's continue to inspire one another, reach higher, dream bigger, and never stop learning. Let's all carry the spirit of learning with determination, dedication, and commitment. Let's all continue to grow and make a positive impact. And don't forget to thank God for everything we do. Again, congratulations and mabuhay po tayong lahat. To God be the highest glory and honor.